Imagine that you have two different queries and you want to combine the outputs of both queries into one single output. You can do that using the append command. Start with one of the queries as the first query and then use the append command. The parameter to the append command is the second query that you need to specify within the square brackets. This will append the output of the second query to the output of the first query as shown on the screen. Some things to consider. Original records from both queries are combined in one output, but they aren't modified. Therefore, you may have duplicate records. Also, fields from one query won't be copied over to the other query in the final output.